Hello and welcome to the WPF Battleship series. This is episode 23, and after this episode, this product or this app is done. I mean, I'm going to use it for a little bit, for quite a while, and play around with it with my son and with other people. I'm going to share it and I'll test it out then, and if there's any more issues, then I'll definitely make a follow-up video where I will fix those. But yeah, today we're just gonna finish up. We're gonna do some cleanup, and yeah. Last time I think the video cut out, and um, you weren't able to see that in the client, in the Battleship server client class. We were getting when we just closed one of the clients, the interfaces, then we would get exceptions after exceptions, and what was missing was the TCP socket.close and a break symbol, so you would get out of this while loop. So yeah, that's the only thing that you guys didn't see at the end. So now I wanted to um, add a icon, so when you start the application you can see it, see this icon down here, but right now it's a default Windows yeah, icon. So to change this, you go to properties and scroll down to win32.resources, and then you can set the icon right here. For that, you have to create a .ico file, which there's a lots of free websites that help you do this. So you can just get a JPEG or PNG file, and it'll convert it to an icon file. I already created mine, so I'm going to browse, and then here I created the app.icon, and just add it to here. And when you start it, then the symbol will appear at the bottom. But before I start it, I want to also, because on the top left corner where there's the system command button, right now we just have this C. I'm just going to use that same file as a background. Um, yeah, just to get that in there. I didn't want to create another uh, image just for this, so I'm just going to use this for now, and later on I might change it. But yeah, just to have something in there, so it's not just the C letter. So for that, I'm going to do background image brush, and then I'm going to say image source, and then I will just use app.ico. And you also have to, just like with all the other images, declare it as a resource. Hold on, as a resource, and then copy to output will be copy of newer. That should work. So let's start it and see. If we get the results that we're looking for. Okay, yeah, so I mean it's an ugly image, but yeah, that'll work. And down here, I don't know if you can see it. I think so. Yeah, there's the icon again. So yeah, that's it. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna take out this page now also because we don't need it anymore. Let's do that. Pages, blue page. Can delete it. We also have in the main menu page, I think think we also created a button and a command. Oh no, it was in the connect to server. Let's go there, Shift F7, go back. Ah. So yeah, let's get rid of that button. And then in the view model there was a command that we created, which was the page and back command. Let's get rid of those. And we also had an converter where we use the blue page, delete that, and let's delete the blue from the application pages. Alright, let's build that. Okay, that works. Alright, next I want to decouple the Battleship server from the Battleship application, because this is a project in itself. So not every solution should include these automatically together. So what I'm going to do is create a I'm going to add a new project. This is going to be a library. So class library, class just a class library. Let's use that. And yeah, we'll call it Battleship Messages. Oh, let's spell that right. Battleship Messages. Battleships, yeah. And actually, no, I'm gonna call it Battleship Server dot core. Let's do that. Battleship Server dot core and .NET 6. Could probably, since .NET 7 already came out, we could probably upgrade it. Maybe I'll do that in a future video. So yeah, now so I'm gonna pull those over the models. The input output I'll pull over, and the data models I'll pull over. So I can delete those, delete this, and delete this. And now we're going to get a bunch of errors, but delete this class. And let's come into here. current project, we are going to replace this namespace with this namespace. So let's just replace all. Okay. Save all. Close all tabs. Okay. And now this guy has errors, so now we have to reference the battleship server.core, and all the errors should hopefully disappear. Oh no. Okay, that was not what I wanted. Okay, so alright, there we go. Okay, those errors are gone. That's that, and that's that. Let's see, what kind of comet is that? Okay. No, 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 no. Okay. Got that cleaned up. And now this guy is probably also complaining, so let's projects, add project reference. Let's deselect the server and just get the core part, and let's get that. Alright, let's build. Oops. Okay. Core. Shots fired. Okay. So actually, everywhere where we reference this, let's reference that. Okay, 9 places. Great. And we created more problems. That's great. That's great. format. Okay, so why is drag over crying? Great. No, it's using. Damn, what the? Okay, I definitely broke something now. Great. Let's. Alright, shot fired view model. Where is that at? Let's look. What did I change in there? Pages, controls, shot fired view model. And of course. No. Okay. No, let's go back. Can only get worse. Using. Replace all. Let's try that again. That's great. 8. Okay. What if we build now? That's the dangers of, using those quick replace methods. Oh, shit. Okay, that seems fine. Okay, let's build again. And failed, of course. Challenge message. Why won't it? No. Okay. Battleships core challenge message. Also. Right. Build. Okay, I just broke everything. So yes, really be careful when using the find and replace shortcuts. Okay. Okay, it seems as if those all worked. Ah, wow, okay. It succeeded. That's awesome. Alright, let's run it. Let's go ASDF. Let's get another one going. Let's get the user. Let's go. Let's get one more. One more just for fun. Alright, so let's get these all appearing here. this seems to work. So these guys should not be able to challenge. Yeah, so that works. Okay, awesome. Okay, so these guys are playing. Start the game. Start the game. Awesome. Okay, so great. Alright, yeah, so there's definitely still an error. Should plays no chord start the game. Alright, so he didn't get that message. So yeah, that's still not working as it's supposed to. That's annoying. Okay, but here it works. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna have to do some testing for sure and then see maybe how I can change it. So it's definitely a note to take down. I will be back to fix that final issue. But yeah, since it seems to work sometimes and then other times it doesn't, I don't know. I don't want to make this a big debug session. So yeah, now we split the project and now you can deploy just the Battleships game itself without having the need to have the server included. So you can have deploy the server somewhere, let that run anywhere, and then you can have pass out the Battleships um, project, of course, with the dependency to the core Battleship server core section. So those always have to be together, but it doesn't have to include the server. So that was the goal for today, and yeah, I think this is going to be it for a while until I figure out what's that issue is, and then yeah, we'll go on from there. So finally today is the first short video. Thanks for joining me, and see you guys soon. Bye.